going for the job placement, everyone will ask about what did you done during the BTech time. So you can say that we have done the CNC programming, CAD we have done for the mechanical student, right? And the civil student, you can go for the AutoCAD, is the toughest drawing drafting software, STAT for structure line, 3D Max interior designing, 3D Max, right? And talking about the PLCs, so like PLCs, we have electrical electronic department as well. We can interact with the entrepreneur, and they are working on the manufacturing sector as well. They are working on panels, PLCs. That is an industrial automation. We can count automation. It comes up 4 things: PLC, SCADA, HMI, and drive. Even CNC, when you go for the machine or the CNC, so also programming will work on the PLC, right? From the PLC. We will definitely interact with all the entrepreneurs, no doubt. And again, the question again, same software, PLC we have, AutoCAD we have, StatPro we have, and advanced software we're talking about, NXCAD we have. So everything for you in this campus, and anytime you can come to us and interact with us, no doubt, right? So ma'am,